Okay, this is another one of the inscribed angle problems. Now, I realize after the fact that I've put all these online that they're a little bit hard to see. So I'm going to try to make them easier. That looks terrible. All right, let's see. What are we given in this problem? Well, we're given this 90-degree arc right here. And we're given this 150-degree arc over here. Well, let's start with angle 1. Angle 1 is this angle right here. Outline it for you. And it intercepts the 90-degree arc. We learned before that an inscribed angle, this is an inscribed angle because its vertex is on the circle. An inscribed angle is half the measure of the arc that it intercepts. So angle 1 is going to be half of 90, which is 45 degrees. Okay, in a similar fashion, we can solve for angle 2. So I'm going to outline angle 2 here. All right, angle 2 is also an inscribed angle, and it intercepts this 150-degree arc. Half of 150 degree is 75. So angle 2 is 75 degrees. Now angle 3, let me erase what I have so far here. Angle 3 is this angle right here. That is a central angle because it has its vertex as the center of the circle, and it intercepts this arc right here. Well, how can we figure that out? Well, if you notice on the circle, we're actually given this as a diameter, this line right here. We're given this 150 degrees over here. Well, a half a circle, a semicircle is 180 degrees. Subtract the 150 that you have already, and this angle over here must be 30 degrees. All right, when it's an inscribed angle, the inscribed angle is half of the arc measure. A central angle is exactly the same as the arc measure. So angle 3 is going to be 30 degrees. Central angles are the same as the arc measure. All right, let's do the last one. What type of angle is angle 4? Is it a central angle, an inscribed angle, or neither? It is neither. Its vertex is not in the center of the circle, and it's not on the outside along the circumference. So none of our rules, neither one of our rules that we've learned are helpful for this one. So we need to recognize the fact that we have a triangle. Angle 2, we've already figured it out, was 75 degrees. Angle 1 is 45 degrees. Angle 4 is the one we're looking for. Well, you know that in any triangle, all three angles add up to be 180. So you can simply add 75 and 45, 120, and then subtract that from 180. Okay, that's our answer, 60 degrees for angle 4. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish this video.